Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin in the WhatsApp Business app. Open it and go straight to Settings, then Business Tools. Tap Business Profile to edit hours. Once you're in, locate Opening Hours or Business Hours. This is where you'll change availability. Make sure your time zone and address are correct first, because hours follow that setting. If you're on Android or iPhone, the screens look slightly different, but the flow is the same. Open Profile, find Hours, and tap Edit to start entering schedule details. Now set your regular hours. Toggle each day, pick start and end times, and save. Once done, move to special hours for holidays or exceptions, add a date range, choose custom times or mark closed. Make sure to check AM/PM versus 24-hour format and adjust time zone if needed, because incorrect format causes visible errors. Also, consider adding multiple time blocks per day if you close midday. After adding entries, tap Save and preview how hours display to customers in your profile. Finish by tapping Save and then view your profile to confirm the new business hours are visible. If the change doesn't appear, force close the app and reopen. Make sure your device has internet. Once done, clear cache or restart the phone if necessary and resave. If hours options are missing, check and update the WhatsApp Business app. Older versions lack newer scheduling features. Finally, if problems persist, sign out, sign back in, or reinstall. That usually resolves lingering sync or display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.